Northern hemisphere returns to fall. Springtime South America begins to call. There's a place I could stay. I don't have much but still know that is on. Yeah, I'm on track, can't pack a heavy load. Save my bag for the road this time. After all, I've never seen the Gulf of Panama. Watch the tide rolling around our sky, La Union Bay. I will find my way through. The sun will be my compass when I hit Peru, steering me on down that Pan-Americana highway. Called a friend who said that he would go walk the western shores of Jalisco, travel south to see the mountains down in San Jose. 2 more feet to stroll the sand and clay, 2 good hands to use along the way. Still no one to betray this time. After all, I've never seen the Gulf of Panama. Watch the tide rolling around our sky, La Union Bay. I will find my way through. The sun will be my compass when I hit Peru, steering me